So we've got a quick run through of the premium swing trade results. As always, what I'm going to do is just click on this box here, hover over, it'll show the formula for those of you who are interested in exactly how we work out these results. Fairly simple. This formula basically just emulates the strategy that we always propose to you, which is that once you've hit TP1, you raise your stop loss to 0. So our overall results, we made 61 premium swing trades, 42 of which, or 69%, hit target profit 1, 28 or 46% of which hit target profit 2, and 19 of which hit stop loss. Overall, good numbers, bearing in mind the volatility we saw again in the early part of the week, clearing up over the weekend, and obviously we limited our exposure on Sunday, as we always recommend to you. Again, Bitcoin pairings performed the best, 75% win rate. Futures massively improved upon last week, bringing that up to almost 60% win rate. Again, the target as always is to be 75% plus. The overall return, so this is our, again, I'll click on there so you can see what how that's calculated. It's simply the average return based on a £100 investment into each of these trades. So 2.54% is our average return per trade. That is, it's a phenomenal number. It's the third week in a row we've managed to increase that. The way that we're doing that, whilst not necessarily being able to increase our base numbers of wins, we are increasing the quality of our wins by managing our TPs and our stop losses better. So a lot of work's gone into that, and we've seen that 3 weeks in a row now. We've gone from 1.21% per trade to 2.04% per trade last week, and now up to the figure that you saw down there, which was 2.54. So we're increasing and tightening up the way these trades are structured, and that figure 2.54, that doesn't seem a lot, but over 60 trades a week, even if you were entering one trade a week, that would give you an APY of about 35%. So it's a very significant figure, and something that we're very proud of. Just scrolling down here, just in terms of the wins, we saw what we always did: groupings of stop losses being hit in quick succession, indicating a sudden Bitcoin movement, which would have taken out trades that were entered in the same time period, suffering the same fate. So always be vigilant of what Bitcoin's doing when you have these trades open. Hopefully, however, the average trade percentage win will give you the confidence to just, understand that accepting losses is part of trading, and that our overall win rate and the way that the trades are structured will see you profit as long as we do things correctly. The back end of the week, so through the weekend, we saw a huge increase here in the way that we were winning. So not only were we winning the huge majority of our trades, but we were also hitting target profit 2, again on the huge majority. It's probably worth mentioning that this period coincided with some updates to the indicators. Certainly the new alerts that are available for the pullback indicator, which forms the basis of many of these trades, is firing almost perfectly. So we'd expect or hope to see that our percentage win rate will increase alongside our percentage win per trade next week, and we can start making some real significant strides to becoming, the best traders that we can possibly be. If you've got any questions, if you want to have a copy of this document so you can go through each individual result, just give me a shout or leave us a comment below. Thanks for your time. Bye.
Guard against contamination.
What's your decision?
The question in the back of their mind, what does this mean?
Something out of a science fiction movie.